Waterwear is a cover for Rondo that provides complete water protection. You can use each waterwear up to 3 times, but the adhesive strip needs to be replaced after each use. You can only use alkaline or silver oxide batteries with waterwear. Make sure your hands are clean and dry before handling the waterwear. Check waterwear for damage and make sure the inside is also clean and dry. Discard waterwear if it has any damage. Remove any attachment clips on your Rondo and switch Rondo on. Hold your Rondo with the flat side displaying the Med-El logo facing up. Insert Rondo tip first into the waterwear so that the flap at the tip of the waterwear lies smoothly over the flat side. Grab the base of the second circular-shaped flap of waterwear with your other hand and pull it over the processor. It will form a tight fit, so some tension with the waterwear should be expected. Avoid pulling on the additional fixation option, which is the semicircular tab with a hole located at the seam of the waterwear. Pull the waterwear over the entire processor, with the overlap evenly distributed around the edge, and make sure that there are no wrinkles in the edge of the opening. The included adhesive strips are used to cover this opening. Before attaching the adhesive strip, make sure that the strip and the surface of your Rondo and the waterwear are clean and dry. Remove the adhesive strip from the protective cardboard. Starting at the circular flap, apply the adhesive strip and use it to fully cover the waterwear opening on the flat side of Rondo. Make sure that both flaps of the waterwear remain flat on the surface of Rondo and no wrinkles form during the application of the adhesive strip. Also, make sure that the adhesive is fully covering the rim of the waterwear opening and is not offset or misaligned. Firmly press down along the adhesive section to make sure that the waterwear adheres completely. To provide protection against water, the adhesive strip must completely adhere to all edges of the waterwear. Make sure the waterwear was not damaged during the application. Your Rondo with waterwear is now ready to use. Position Rondo with waterwear over the implant. To avoid losing the processor during activities, you should use additional fixation, such as the Med-El sports headband, a swimming cap, or the attachment clip. To remove waterwear from Rondo, carefully remove and discard the adhesive strip from the waterwear. Use the circular flap of the waterwear to remove Rondo from the waterwear. Pull waterwear gently off of Rondo and make sure that you do not damage waterwear. Waterwear can be used up to 3 times, but the adhesive strip needs to be replaced each time. Follow the previous instructions and ensure that there is a complete seal with the adhesive and waterwear before reusing.